Do you think making a whiteboard animation video needs expensive software or crazy editing skills? Think again, because today I'll show you how to make a whiteboard animation video in Canva, and trust me, it's way easier than you think. Whiteboard animation is one of the most powerful styles for content creation. You can use it in business, storytelling, finance, health, biographies, or just for fun. The best part? These videos often go viral and keep viewers hooked till the end, which means more views and more earnings for you. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share 2 amazing tools that will make your animation journey even smoother. Let's get started. First things first, head over to Canva. The link is in the description. If you're new, sign up. It's free. Once you're in, choose a video format. Here's the Canva dashboard. Now, let's add some elements. Go to the Elements tab. You'll find thousands of graphics. Since we're making a whiteboard animation, type in Sketch. Canva will show you tons of sketch-style images, some free, some paid. Don't worry, I'll share a free site later for unlimited sketch downloads. Let's try another keyword. Type Money Sketch. Click See All. You can see tons of options. I'll pick one, adjust the size, and place it on the canvas. Now, let's add another sketch. This time, something related. After that, I'll search for Idea, grab a nice sketch, and fit it in. To connect them, I'll add an arrow. Adjust it neatly. Looks good. Next, let's throw in some text at the top. Change the font style, color, and maybe add a shadow effect. Perfect. Quick note, don't add animations to these elements because for now, whiteboard animation in Canva only works with static images. Once you're happy, download the design in PNG format. Done? Great. Now go back to Canva homepage, click Create Design again, and choose Video. This time, head over to Apps and search for Speedpaint. Open it up. Remember, this is a Canva Pro feature. Upload the PNG you just made. Now set the FPS. I recommend 120 for smooth animation. Choose your duration. I'll keep mine at 5 seconds. If your image has color, set the fill duration to 3 seconds. For background, keep it white. It looks clean for whiteboard animation. If you want to show a hand effect, tick the Add Sketching Hand Effect box. Otherwise, the hand animation won't appear. Once everything looks good, hit Animate Image. Wait about a minute, and your sketch video is ready. Let's play it. Wow, looks super realistic, right? From here, you can trim the video, add more sketches, and build full whiteboard animation videos by repeating the process. Just add new pages, new sketches, and animate them. When you're done, export in MP4 format. Now about those bonus tools I promised. Ideogram lets you generate sketch images instantly. Just type a keyword like money sketch, choose aspect ratio, and download. Animationtutorial.co. This site converts any normal photo into a pencil sketch in seconds. Upload, click the pencil sketch, and you're done. And that's it. You now know exactly how to make a whiteboard animation video in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out my other video where I show you how to create AI animated children's story videos using AI.